subtraction of algebraic expressions. So today we're going to learn about multiplication of algebraic expressions. So let's get started. So before starting the multiplication of algebraic expression, let me tell you 4 different type of algebraic expressions. So these are monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial. So first we will study about monomial. Monomial is basically when you have only one term. So one term as in either you have 4x or 5y or simply a number which can be any number and something like 5xy. So these all are your monomial in which only one term is used. So we'll come to binomial. Binomial, as the name suggests, bi means 2. So in this we have 2 terms. For example, if I write 4x plus 5y, here you can see that we have used 2 terms. So this is our monomial. Similarly, if I write 5x square plus 6y, here also we have 2 terms. So this is also our binomial. And let me come about for trinomial. So trinomial, tri means 3. So here we have 3 terms. 3 terms can be any 3 terms. You can write 4x plus 5y plus 7z, or you can write 4x square plus 5y plus 9. So here you can see we have used 3 terms. So this is our trinomial. Now coming to polynomial. Polynomial means any number of terms, be it 1, 2, 3 or more than 3. So if I write 4x square plus 5y plus 7z plus 9 or any number of terms, so this is our polynomial. So in multiplication we have different types of multiplication. So first one is our monomial by monomial. So what we're going to do is, if I write one monomial, suppose I write 5x, and if I multiply by another monomial, say 4y, how do I do that? First, I will multiply the numbers. So here it is 5 and here it is 4. So 5 multiplied by 4 is 20. Next, the number of variables used. So here x and y both are used and I am going to write x and y both. So this is your answer of 5x multiplied by 4y. I will give you another example for monomial by monomial. If I have 4x and if I multiply it by 5x square, so first is I will multiply the number by the number. So I will multiply 4 by 5, which is again 20, and then I will count the number of x used. So here x to the power 1 multiplied by x to the power 2. So in multiply, what do I do is I add the powers. So here we have x1 and x2. So I have total x raised to power 3, which is your answer for 4x multiplied by 5x square. Let me take another example. If I write 5xy multiplied by 2y square, here again we have one monomial and the other monomial. Similarly, what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply the numbers first. So 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. Then I will see x. So here I have x to the power 1 and y 1 and y 2. So in total I have y raised to power 3. So this is your answer for 5xy multiplied by 2y square, which is 10xy cube. Now next we have monomial by binomial. So if I write monomial 2x and I multiply it by a binomial, say if I take 2x plus 5. So as you can see, this is my monomial because only one term is used, and this is my binomial, 2 terms are used. So first I will multiply this 2x with 2x, then I will multiply this 2x with the second term, which is 5. So first I will multiply 2x by 2x, which is 4x square. Then I am going to put this sign plus 2x multiplied by 5, which is 10x. So in this what we have done is, I have multiplied the monomial, that is 2x by first 2x, then plus 2x by 5. So this is my answer to this question. If I take another example, say 4x multiplied by 3y plus 4, what first I'm going to multiply 4x by 3y. So this is 12xy. Then I'm going to put add sign and then 4x multiplied by 4, which is again 16x. So this is your answer. Also, if you like this tutorial, please do like and subscribe my channel. Okay. Now next is we have monomial by trinomial. So monomial, let me take 4x, and trinomial can be any 3x plus 4y plus 5. So here it is 3 terms, so we have trinomial. Now again same, what we're going to do is we're going to multiply this 4x by 3x first, then 4x by 4y, and then 4x by 5. So first I'm going to multiply 4x by 3x, which is 12x square. Now I'm going to multiply 4x by 4y. So here it will come 16xy plus 4x multiplied by 5. So here it will be 20x. So this is your answer for when you multiply monomial by a trinomial. Now moving on, next we have binomial by binomial. So let me take an example. X minus 4, which is again your binomial because here your two terms are involved, and 2x plus 4. So here we have a binomial and here is also a binomial. We're going to multiply this binomial by this binomial. So here the first term, which is x, first we need to multiply by 2x, then you're going to multiply by 4. Then moving on, we have another term which is 4. Then we multiply 4 by 2x and 4x by 4. So how do we do that? X multiplied by 2x, 2x square. Then x multiplied by 4, 4x. Then we have minus 4 multiplied by 2x, which is 8x. And then we have minus 4 multiplied by plus 4, which is 16. I hope you know the signs. So if I have 2 plus sign, I will get plus. If I have 1 plus and 1 minus, with multiplication I get minus. And if I have 2 minus signs, we will get plus. Okay. So now we have 8x and 4x. So as you can see, these are your like terms, and as we have studied in a previous video, we can add or maybe subtract these values. So I will simplify it further. 2x square plus 4x minus 8x would be a minus 4x minus 16. So this is your answer to this. Next we have binomial by trinomial, and this is the last multiplication. So binomial, I will again take an example, x plus 4, and in trinomial how many terms do we have? Yes, we have 3 terms. So I will write 2x plus 3y plus 2. So as we did in binomial by binomial, we multiplied all the terms. So here I will multiply x with 2x, then with 3y, and then with 2. Similarly, I am going to multiply 4 by 2x, then by 3y, and if I multiply x by 2x, I get 2x square. Then I will multiply x by 3y, which is 3xy, then x with 2, 2x, then plus sign, 4 multiplied by 2x, which is 8x, then 4 multiplied by 3y, which is 12y, and last term plus 4 plus 2, which is plus 8. Now the next step would be to add the like terms. Here we have only 1 2x square, so our answer would be 2x square plus 3xy. Now here I have 2x and 8x, which is like terms. So I will add these two like terms and 12y plus 8. So this is my answer. So this was all about our multiplication of algebraic expressions. In the next video, we would be learning about algebraic identities. So identities are basically the algebraic formulas. And till then, stay tuned and stay safe. And please do like and subscribe my channel, Aditi's Education Center.